Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best deals over at Walgreens from the week of February 22nd to the 28th. And I'm excited this is the last week because I want this winter to be over. It's been a long one here in Michigan, so I am looking forward to that. Big thumbs up for that. How about that for the thumbs up ask and hype this video if you have a second. First off, lots of little boosters showed up. Some of these are for curbside deals only. The 4-back when you buy 2 dental care, and the 15-back when you buy the fancier P&G dental care, which is usually like the more expensive brushes. We'll look at these two for the curbside video on Monday. And also some of us got this, a 7-back when you spend 25. My main account got it, my husband's didn't. Always a year mileage may vary what boosters you get. So, yeah. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 22nd in the Walgreens app. And just a reminder, from February the 27th, so towards the end of the week, 27th, 28th to March the 1st is the Dollar General clearance event. I will have a video next week on that. Even if you're not a really big Dollar General shopper, to get a lot of stuff for free or cheap, I think it's a time to start considering shopping over there. So just putting that bug in your ear. Persil will be $5.99. It is the 25 loaders. We're going to have a new $2 digital coupon, so it's going to bring this guy down to $3.99. Over on IBOTTA right now, there's a 50-cent rebate. Now, last week there was one that was like $1.50, so we'll have to wait and see what we get, but 50 cents right now. Grabbing one of these for $5.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for 50 cents back. It makes it $3.49 for one of these bottles of Magic. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, or if you might have other register rewards from last week that you want to use, by all means, throw them into the mix. But not a bad little deal for a bottle of detergent that's upwards of $8. Haven't used Persil in years, and I used it for some sheets a couple weeks ago. That stuff is really legit. I really love Persil. Another deal that's absolutely fantastic is for the $9.99 Bounce Downy Gain laundry care, $5 reward when you buy 2, and I suspect we'll have $2 coupons off of the Gain and maybe the Bounce or the Gain Flings and the Gain Detergent. One of each. You're going to have to get an assortment of items. It'll be $19.98. Subtracting the $2 coupons, that's $4 off. You'll pay $15.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is one that's interesting. See how it says up to $2.50? I wonder what that $2.50 coupon will be on. The Downy Rinse, or what will it be? So we're going to have to grab an assortment of laundry care products for $21.96 at $5.49 a pop. One of the items will have a $2.50, and I believe the rest will have dollar digital, so that's $5.50 for the 3 plus $2.50. So you'll pay $16.46, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.46 for the 4 or $2.86 per item. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another smart deal is with the $3.49 Febreze household products. We're going to have a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon, which is always magic. So grabbing 2 of these items, it's going to be $6.98. Subtracting that basically BOGO free coupon, you're going to pay $3.49 for the 2 or $1.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And you know, like if you can never get a deal on air effects over at the Dollar General, this is a very good coupon and a great little deal for some cheap Febreze. And the $1.99 Arm & Hammer, especially if you're a newer couponer, you want to stock up on the pods or the scent crystals or the scent beads. Those are probably the 2 best items in the line. We'll have to double, triple check in case we have digital coupons or IBOTTA for these items as well. 88 cents for the Walgreens food storage bags. They've kind of been jerking us around with that, where it was BOGO free and then it was back to full price for a couple of weeks. If you wanted to grab 6 of these, it would be $5.28. Use $5 in Walgreens cash without a booster, and what a superb deal. I definitely will be stocking up in case they're just playing around with maybe not making these so cheap in the future, just because they've done some weird things with different candy bars and, or remember those Dawn dish soaps we used to get so cheap? It just makes logical sense that this would be the next thing, so I'm definitely going to be stocking up on these. $4.50 for the Colgate products, either the paste or the brushes. They have two separate coupons, which is a 4 off of 2. So you'll either have to do your pastes in one transactions and the brushes or the mouth rinses in a different transaction to get that register reward to print twice. But grabbing 2 of the pastes for $9, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and lots of the toothpastes have been on clearance. That is triggering that register reward. So if you can find them, that would make it even better deal, probably a freebie. The $5 Crest Oral-B products, 4 off of 2 digital coupon, you would pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I don't know if your household's this way, but mine is. We really don't care for Crest or Colgate, whatever is the cheapest one, and I think in a pinch, Colgate is my choice. I don't know why. I prefer it over Crest for the brushes and the paste. So 50 cents to $1. I'm going to go for the 50 cents any day of the week. Deal is back, the $7 Head and Shoulders with a $4 register reward when you buy 2 and up to 4. Now it's either going to be a 4 off 2 coupon or a 3 off 2 coupon for the cheaper ones. Grabbing 2 of the $7, it's $14. I'm going to go conservatively with that 3 off of 2. You would pay $11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 7 for 2 or $3.50 per bottle. Fetch has had a rebate for Head and Shoulders for a couple weeks. If it's still there, photograph your receipt to that app for a couple of points. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And will we get a 4 off of 2 digital? Yes or no? We'll have to wait and see on Sunday. Garnier Fructis is the cheaper in the line, and very cleverly they're not putting it in. So usually when they do that, it's $6.29 for the Garnier Fructis. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $12.58. I know there's a mousse that's even cheaper if your store might have it. Subtracting the 4 off of 2, you'll pay $8.58. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4.58 for the 2 or $2.29 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So we'll have to triple check that we get that 4 back or the 4 off of 2 digital coupon on Sunday morning for the Fructis. The Axe body wash is $5, which is a great price point, and we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon with a $2 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them for $10. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $2 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's jog through the honorable mentions really quickly. The first one goes to the Dawn or Mr. Clean. See, up to $4. So is it going to be a $4 off of a Mr. Clean or a Dawn Power Wash? I don't know. Or is it going to be a 4 off of 2? I don't know. So we'll have to wait and see, but that might be something great. $5 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2 of these gift cards, and Domino's kind of has my attention, but they have to usually be $25 or more, so we'll have to wait and see what the specifics are on Sunday. And a buy 2 get 1 for free, and a lot of these are new flavors of the M&Ms, lemon meringue pie, peanut butter cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, I totally would have tried that one back in the day. It seems quite delicious. And the final honorable mention goes to the 12-cent prints. Sometimes when you order one print, those paper boosters, like 7 back when you spend 25 or whatever, they print out, and they have been printing the last couple of days. Haven't been getting any digital boosters. It might be worth getting a cheapy print. Punch in your phone number and then see if one prints out for you. Wouldn't that be great if it does? That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.